Hi guys, I'm Nwosuellah, and in today's video I'll be talking and sharing with you guys how to stand out and be different in your niche. So if you're interested in this in any way, make sure to keep watching and subscribe down below. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 tips on how to stand out and be different in your niche. Okay, so the first tip I'm going to share with you is one that I got from Catherine Manning's, and that is stop watching other creators that are in the same niche as you. This is actually really true. When I watched that video, I'm like, yeah, because I was actually trying to stand out in my niche, and then I figured that if you actually want to stand out in your niche, you need to stop watching other creators that produce the same content like you do, because then your voice is not going to be your voice. You're just going to figure out that eventually you're saying something that you've heard this girl say, or you're saying something that you've heard this girl say. Do you understand what I'm saying? So try to not, from now on, whenever you want to make a video about morning routine, do not watch anybody's morning routine until you've created yours, just so that when you put out yours is going to look like your morning routine. You're not going to start doing something because another person is doing it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So make sure that you do not watch any creator in your niche, at least until you've made that particular video that you want to make. So I feel like this one that I'm about to share with you is one that you should know. If you're trying to be different, stop copying other people. If you're trying to be different, stop copying people. Do not copy the way they talk, do not copy the way they dress, do not try to act like people. Maybe you have your favorite YouTuber, you want to be like her. Don't copy her, just try to be yourself, because then you would actually be different, you would actually be real. People would actually come to your channel and see something new, see something different. You do not have the same intro, you do not have the same outro, you have something different in your channel that people can actually relate to. You do not have this popular music that everybody's using in their video. You have your own sound, your own voice. Do you get? So actually stop trying to copy other YouTubers, stop trying to be like other YouTubers. And then this brings me to the third one, which is do not copy people's content. Yes, do not copy people's content. I know it might be tempting when you see like a particular YouTuber that looks so smart, and then you want to look that smart in your channel, so you want to copy her content, put it out in a different way, and then give people, but it's the same thing. She's a bigger YouTuber, so if they can get that same content from her, why are they coming to your channel to get? You need to give them a reason to come to your channel. Another reason, when they watch this girl's video and then they watch your video, they're not getting the same stuff that everybody's putting out. This is actually how you can be different. Do not copy people's content, make your own research. It's actually really easy to make research for a topic, plus you can actually just use what is in your brain. Trust me, whatever you have in your brain, if it's just 2 tips you have in your brain, you could give it out in your videos and it would actually matter a lot, because that 2 tips that you're going to share is different from the rest. It's something that people have not seen anywhere else, and it's actually mean a lot to them. So make your own research, get things from your head, do not copy other YouTubers. And then I'm going to rush into the 4th tip, which is change your thumbnail. Yes, change your thumbnail. Try to make your own thumbnail. Think about what you want, think about the Lightroom preset you want to use, think about the type of edit you want to use in your thumbnail, think about the type of text you want to use, the type of font, the colors, everything. Think about it your way. Do not see the way a particular YouTuber makes her thumbnail and then you think, okay, this particular thumbnail is getting her clicks, let me use the same Lightroom preset, let me use the same font, let me just jig it. No, don't do that. Try to mess around with your edits and find the one that actually work for you, the thumbnail style that actually represents who you are. Your favorite colors, include them in your thumbnail. Spice it up. If you like stars, if you like things sparkly, if you're girly, put that in your thumbnail. Do not try to act like someone you're not, even in your thumbnail, because everything is just going to matter. Your thumbnail has to be different. Maybe they are scrolling through YouTube and then this thumbnail looks unique than the rest. Everybody's using this kind of thumbnail and then this person is using pink. Oh my god, pink. Do you get? So make your thumbnail different. Do not copy people's thumbnail. Try to stand out in the crowd. Try to just, stand out. So your thumbnail is actually going to play a good role, because that's actually the first thing people come in contact with when they see your video. So if your thumbnail is different from the rest, they are more likely to click on that, because people actually need something new. People are looking for new things. So if you're that new thing, more people are going to be watching you. So the 5th and last one is your edit. Do your edits yourself. Let your edit fit your personality. Mess around with your edits and then find the one that actually suits you, that actually flows with who you are. If you like glitters, put glitters in your edits. Whatever you like, just put it in your edit so that it looks different from all the other YouTubers that just like maybe go straight to the point or just copy each other. Just make sure whatever you do in your video is actually truly about you, because that's actually how you stand out. When you do not do things that everybody's doing, if you see what this particular person is doing, if you like music and then you see this person not using music, put music in your own because you like music, and then it will make you be different, to make you stand out. If she's using music in her video and then you feel like music is cool but you do not really like music, don't use music in your video. Just try to be yourself, try to edit your things your own way. This way you would actually look different, you'd actually stand out. When you take in all these 5 tips I'm giving you, you'll see that your videos would actually start to feel more like you and less like whoever the fuck you were copying. Do you get? So try to act like yourself, try to edit like yourself, make your thumbnails like yourself, just do everything like you normally do it. Make your own research. Do you get? Just make your things about you, and then you see that sooner or later people will start actually saying things like, dropping things like, I love the way you're real in your comments, and those kind of comments hit hard. Trust me, you feel it, because people are telling you that you're real, and that's the point. You want them to see in your channel what they can't see in other people's channel. Do you get? Because it's your channel. So yeah, that's actually it for this video. That is it, you guys, for this YouTube video. I really hope you like it, and I really hope you found it helpful. If you liked it and if you found it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Comment down what video you would like to see next, because I'd love to make them for you guys. I love you guys. Bye.